You have seen those movies, right, where a person comes and he's from war, he's coming from war, and he's going to PTSD, and we are shown that they got PTSD from the blood or from killing people. But what exactly is the reason? Is it the blood? Is it that they were crying, or because of that this PTSD? And there are theories about it, right? And moral injury is the right name, because the PTSD is not because they killed somebody. It's because they did some action which was exact opposite of their self concept, exact opposite to what their actual morals say, right? So if you have very deeply ingrained in your mind that you should not kill, you should not kill, you should not kill, and then you see this old man who is fighting for his country and you have to kill, right? And see, it has an effect on our women already, because they lose their those models, and in some way they have this coldness in them, right? And it is built through seeing blood or seeing or killing people, right? They are less reactant to conflicts because they go through this cold nature, they go through this all these problems, right? But that is because of this self concept of a problem, not because of blood. It is just that that blood is a representation of those things that happened and those things that he did, which were totally against his moral views. And there are many theories, and I really want to talk about it and talk about them in the next videos. But these are some that were really intriguing. So I thought I'll make a video on that. Second is that wars completely change people. And when we live in a society where there is no war, people build like men build this feminine nature, which is kind of good, kind of bad, whatever you can have this. And see, I don't want to get into this, but when I talk to a lady, right, a nice too, she will never say, "But I want a feminine man." So I don't know if fighting for this, but I don't know. So when war comes, all these feminine men have either stopped coming out, they are not in the surface, they are underground, living somewhere, some corner of the society, or they have a complete transformation. The men in him gets out. And it's the exact it's having the exact effect on ladies as well. The masculine part of ladies come out during war. You'll see a lady, you'll see a lady using a gun, killing people in war, trying to save her children and her family, right? And it is something that happens through war, through hardship, right? And again, this is another theory which is called post-traumatic growth, right? And there are other topics as well, like the civilian military divide, hero complex crash, tyranny of brotherhood. And I really want to talk about it, but we are far what I was thinking this video will be. So that's it for today. I'll make another video. Maybe I'll make another video.